Today we're gonna try to change the pull rope. It's a little dry, so we'll figure out how to do this. So we'll start by taking out the cover. Have to remove 1, 2, and 3 screws. I've already unscrewed them. All right, I'll take it off and we'll continue taking out the screws. This is on a Mercury 25 horsepower. This top part should come out easily. There we go. We're gonna have to change that rope. The top is off. The rope goes all around this part. So we're gonna have to pull for the rope to come out completely. We're gonna have to lift this guy because this guy locks it from turning. I'm gonna do that now. This is my trick to not undo everything. I've pulled it all out and I've put 2 clamps here so it holds it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this rope, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna replace it with a new one, and then I'm gonna take out the clamps, and the new rope is going all the way back. So we don't need to undo this and the spring could come out and be a mess. I'll replace the rope now. So with a pair of pliers, I grabbed it and I pulled it out, as you can see. Now the rope is fully free. I will cut it, get rid of the old one, put the new one in, do the knot exactly like this one, and then take out the clamps. The rope's gonna go right back in. Like I said, cut this piece so it's out, and you pull the rest out. Now next thing you do, put the new rope in. Oh, sorry. Here it's in. Sorry for the movement. I'm doing all this in one hand. I'm gonna do the knot and I'll be back. Okay, you'll burn the end a bit of this rope so it doesn't get loose easy. You hold the wheel, you take out the clamp, and it should go right back. Then you have rope left to put the T, which we're gonna replace. For this side, what we're gonna do is put the screwdriver in here. We're gonna open it up. As we can see, it's another knot, and we're gonna redo the same thing with the new rope. So now we're gonna let it go in until it needs to go in. Once it gets here, we'll mark that this is the end. Now we know that we have to make the knot a little before the blue spot so it comes in tight. Now that we've marked it, we'll take it out as much as we need. We'll clamp it again so we can work with this. So we'll cut it here. We'll make our knot. We're gonna put it back in there. I'll be right back. So we'll put the string back in the T over here. Once the T is in, we'll make the knot like it was before. And here, give it a good tightening. We'll lighten it up a bit just to, in case it tries to get loose. It'll get loose. There we go. We put this piece back and the rope where it's supposed to go. And we put it back where it's supposed to be. Don't want any rope sticking out. So we'll put it in. Now we'll remove this clamp and he's gonna go right back where he's supposed to go. And this is how you change your starter wood. Next thing we do, put it back on. Once the screws back in, 1, 2, and 3, it's ready to be pulled. Now, my engine is still in winterizing, so I still haven't started it, but the rope is changed. There you go. That's how you change a pull rope on a Mercury 25 horsepower. Cover back on, and it's done. Thank you for watching.